welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean. You know what this is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification if you want to keep up with my build and follow my progression as a grassroots drifter. And yeah, let's get into it. But yeah, we got a package today, ladies and gentlemen, and it's pretty neat. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around. And bam. Oil cooler came in today, which was sweet, because I ordered it literally at like 5 this morning off of Amazon. They said they had 2-day shipping, so I paid like 12 bucks for it. And yeah, the reason I went with a 16 roll for the time being, like I said, because this was the only one that had the 2-day shipping, and I kind of wanted it today, seeing as I have off on the weekends. But it's not that bad packaging wise. Comes with your 2 lines and fittings that's already attached. I believe they're 10 AN. Probably gonna put that bed. Another one. 2 little brackets to hold the lines, and you know what I'm saying, from being all around under the car. The adapter piece that holds the sandwich plate onto the filter housing, and then the sandwich plate that has both the 10 AN fittings and 2 I think 1/8 MBT. Correct me in the comments, but yeah, the universal fitting that every pretty much male adapter uses in this car world in the USA. I don't even want to talk about British measurements because that's a whole separate conversation. But yeah, get that to focus. Boom. This is my little 16 row. And it's not that bad. Got a little weight. Looks clean. It's my first time getting one of these, since it's my first time being boosted and drifting on a boosted car. So like I said, I know it's not the right size, but it'll do for now for test and tune purposes. And I'll definitely upgrade once I start going a little harder on the car. But for now, this should do. So yeah, I'll definitely keep you up to date. I might try to install it today, but I had some other stuff I gotta run and get before the auto zone closes. So yeah, stay tuned. Swoop up. Coil pack is here. Just needed 1. I'll change those out when it's time. Like, y'all gonna learn the theme. Like, if I can get away with it, then send it until it fucks up. That's pretty much my motto. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna try to do something today, get something done. Probably take off that old filter housing plate, mock up maybe where my oil cooler could sit, see how that goes. But yeah, dope shit. Quick update. Didn't feel like touching on the car after I ate, so I'm gonna say that project for next weekend, just cause work. So yeah, stay tuned. Peace.